And tonight, 3 News Investigates is uncovering some new details about the history between a North Royalton building official and the man accused of fatally shooting him. Court records show building commissioner David Smerek and Edward Biesiada were connected through a legal battle that spanned years before Friday's deadly shooting. Natalie Clydesdale has the story.
We had some building citations that they were going back and forth on, so he's a little bit frustrated over that. That's why he did what he did.
Sergeant John Stolarski with the North Royalton Police Department says investigators believe Edward Biesiada's frustration with the city's building department may have led to the shooting that killed building commissioner David Smerek.
He hasn't talked to our detectives. He exercises right to counsel. This is our detective work, their investigation, piecing things together.
3 News Investigates uncovered court records showing the conflict between Biesiada and the city stretched back years. Court records show the dispute began in October of 2022 when Biesiada's neighbor applied for a permit to build a fence. The building department, led by Smerek, determined the project required a zoning variance. In January of 2023, Biesiada spoke out against the request during a zoning board hearing. However, the board ultimately approved the variance. When Biesiada later appealed the decision, Smerek filed a sworn affidavit detailing the fence's construction and inspections, which was a key part of the city's argument to have the case dismissed. In May of 2023, a common pleas court judge threw out the appeal on a technicality. Biesiada hired an attorney and appealed again. His lawyer accused the city of acting, quote, insidiously, and called its handling of the case, quote, a travesty. But in March of 2024, the 8th District Court of Appeals also ruled for the city based on another technicality. Then, just 4 days before Friday's shooting, North Royalton Mayor's court records show Smerek issued Biesiada a property maintenance citation for the condition of his home's exterior.
And I don't think he was physically cited. They went down there, they tried to. He either wasn't home or didn't answer the door. This was days prior. So I believe the citation was left there, which probably led, obviously, to what happened on Friday.
Court records show Biesiada's case has now been bound over to the Cuyahoga County Court of Common Pleas. A future court date has not yet been set. Christy.
All right, Natalie, we appreciate the update. Thank you.